What's going on, family? Long time no talk to. Man, y'all have to excuse me. I'm like in the middle of a workout, but I wanted to just drop in and give everybody a quick update. Everybody pretty much knows I'm pretty close to a size 16 right now. I'm not exactly sure. I checked my weight a couple of weeks ago and it was 269. I checked it again today, it was 269. But I checked my measurements and it looks like I pretty much lost on average 2 pounds in like every area. So I think it's a grand total of 8 inches, I think. Right now I just finished a Zumba workout. Oh my god, I posted it on Facebook. It wasn't but 9 minutes long, but there was 3 different what do you call them, 3 different sets in there. And this is the product, me sweating like a slave. I'm still not done yet. I have another 30 minutes to go. I'm going to do some Michael Jackson Experience. I think I'm going to do about 5 different songs. If you've never done Michael Jackson Experience, trust me, it's a workout in itself. Me and Juju like to do them at different times. So I'm going to do that and then I'm done for the day. So that gives me a total of an hour that I've worked out. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, let you guys know I'm still kicking it. This is actually what I'm calling my 10-day to my birthday grind mode. I want to see what I can pull off between now and October the 5th, which is that Friday of my birthday. My birthday is on the 7th. So I'm giving myself, 10 days to try to pull off. If I pull off 5 pounds or something like that, whatever I get rid of, I'm going to be very happy with it. But anyway, I love you guys and I will see you all soon. Bye.